Hello everyone, right now in front of you ink tank printer by Canon Pixma. This is the model 3410, and any other similar model if your printer is not feeding paper or you have to clear the paper paths. Today in this video we will teach you how to fix if printer is not feeding the paper well. Like if I give command for printing, you can see printer will start initiating command, but it's getting stuck paper inside. So in this video we will learn how to fix paper jamming in this printer. What we need, look, it's getting stuck from that side, so maybe something is stuck inside here. So what we have to do, we have to take a hard sheet like this. Okay, we will insert from here to clear the paper path. Okay, just I will rotate like this and we will fix paper jam. Now I will insert this hard sheet from here and to clear the paper jam. If you hard to insert from the rear side, you can insert the hard sheet from the front side. Okay, make sure if anything stuck in that area, it will go backward. So we have to check. Yes guys, you can see inside I found stapler pins. If you will able to see, I will turn on the light. Look, these stapler pins inside, and not one or two, there are a lot of pins. Just because of bad use, it can damage your printer. So that's how now you can see it's inserting inside and paper path is clear, and like this you will turn out. Now just a while ago I didn't make a video, I didn't show you that I removed this back cover to make visible the paper path, so you can fix it back like this. Now we will turn on and we will check. You can see it's feeding well now. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.